everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a Magnifica XS with us in a shot. This is super automatic from DeLonghi, and it came in because the machine was heavily used and just needed a general tune-up on the machine. Also, we, as you can see, have a really nice seam one right here. We actually replaced it with a brand new one. The original one was broken, and so we took it off, replaced it with a brand new one with a brand new spring. And yeah, it works great. So now we're going to test the machine. We're going to start by just making a double shot by first setting the coffee and then hitting the button. And now it's going to grind all that coffee and put it into the new brew unit. We actually replaced it with a brand new brew unit in there, straight out the box. And so you got a brand new one there. We also replaced the gaskets inside of the machine, cleaned it out. I cleaned out all the walls, scrubbed all the loose coffee that was everywhere. Did a few cleaning cycles on this machine and also a descaling cycle. And I did soak your steam wand in a milk detergent just to clean it all out. But yeah, so as you can see, again, this is older coffee, so don't worry about the crema. And you can also mess around with the settings when you receive the machine at home. But yeah, looks like a decent shot. Now we're going to test the steam function by first getting the cup. Or actually test the hot water first because it's already set to that. So for hot water, you don't click this button and you just twist the knob here and it'll come out, as you can see. And now for steam, after you let that run, hit that button, wait for it to heat up. Actually, I have a milk pitcher here. Cool. And then we're gonna open that up. And as you can see, running well. And that's about it for this video. If you like this repair or any of our other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.